How's it going, everyone? Quick video today. It's going to be a review on this, and we're going to be drilling out some stuff for the engine run stand. So I've already scribed and center punch one of my plates. I'll use it for a pattern slash guide for the other one, but we're going to assemble this. It was on clearance and had I think 4.2 or 4.3 out of 5 rating, so $77.01 out the door yesterday for this. So they had 2 left at the store by me. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm tired of using a hand drill for everything. Hoping this will make my life easier. So let me quit yammering away here, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it up on the tripod and get to unboxing and assembling this thing. Okay, so that was a bit of a debacle getting this on. Don't know why I was having such a problem with it. I guess it wasn't quite all the way opened up. So, but at any rate, it's secured. They asked me to use a piece of wood. This little knob here, can't use it. I put it here, and it won't close all the way. I don't know how I tighten the screw. So, extra parts already. What I was doing with the belts up here is it gives you kind of a chart here for the RPM, and it was set in the middle, and I decided we want all the RPM, so I adjusted the belt and went ahead and did that. We're going to go ahead and stick a drill bit in the chuck here and drill our pilot hole and kind of go from that. I am going to get a clamp of some sort and clamp it to this table here so it's not wobbling around everywhere, but that's kind of it. And we'll get a cord over here strung over here so we can plug it in and see everything work. I'm kind of excited. All right, hang tight while I do that. So we're all powered up. See the handy dandy little light there. Ooh, fancy. And I've got my plate in place here. I don't have it clamped to anything. I almost wonder if I should clamp it. I'll see what happens. Okay. pretty cool. I'm gonna move this because I would have been drilling right into the plate, I noticed. Let me, yeah, that's better. Rotate that so we don't have any interference and just destroy our new toy here. Not bad. Not huge, thick plate or anything. I believe. Yeah, it's only 1/8 inch. Got that from Amazon. Good price. Quick delivery. And it's nice, clean steel. Alright. I will spare you the talking and boring details. I'm going to put on time lapse. I'll knock out the other 3 holes. Then I'm going to lay my other plate underneath it and just kind of mark them, and then I'll pull this one out of the way and run it through, and then we will switch to the 7/16 drill bit, which is the final hole size, and these will be about ready. I'm gonna have to add some weld tabs to them so that the arms will pivot on these once they're bolted to the block. All right. Enough talking. Let's get to work. So I did not do my due diligence here. This is the depth gauge, and I did not adjust it. I'm wondering why this thing's sitting here flopping around. Well, that would be why, wouldn't it? So we'll run this nut and jam nut down quick, and I may have to adjust the speed too. It seems like it's a little too fast for that bigger drill bit. Either that or I come in a little too hot with it. Definitely got a little that's probably good right there. And then of course this thing's just flopping around. I didn't tighten that either. I read the instructions obviously, but yeah. Clearly I didn't read them good enough. Alright, that should do it. While we're at it, let's adjust the belt tension here. Let's let's go down 1 on this. Look at that. So it seemed fine with the smaller bit to run it that fast. This, so we'll go from 3070 down to 2180 and see what that does. Plug it back in and see if it likes that a little better. And again, my bit might be a little dull, but we'll see. I don't think I'm asking too much of it. Stepping up from, you know, that to that. I did the pilot hole. Alright. Here goes nothing. I may have a really dull drill bit. I'm going to check that out, see if I got a sharper one or sharpen this one, and we'll be back after a slight delay. Okay, so 2 takeaways. We sharpened the drill bit, and I'm now clamping this to the base to keep it from kind of jumping around. If you haven't gathered, I'm inexperienced with this. I don't think I've ever even run one of these before, so yes, it's not a big heavy-duty machine either. It's literally, you know, kind of a hobbyist thing. If it gets me through this project here, that engine run stand, the few pieces I need, it's paid for itself. So on that note, I'm going to put it back on time lapse, and we're going to get through the rest of this plate, 2 more holes, and then 4 more on this one, and we'll go from there. All right, hang in there. Okay, so learning some things together. Drill bit was too dull, and good old W-Dizzle comes in handy. Helps it drill a little smoother. I should have known that. In the heat of the moment, I kind of forgot. Wasn't paying attention enough, but obviously, very light duty deal here. But for little projects like this, I think it's going to come in handy and be a time saver now that I've kind of got the hang of it. I am going to need some better drill bits. I can see that already. So if there's a go-to you have that doesn't cost your firstborn and an arm and a leg, go ahead and drop that in the comments and let me know. I'll check them out. So, because I'd like to have a set dedicated just for this machine. And all right, on that note, we're gonna end it here, and I think it lives up to its 4.2 or 4.3 out of 5-star rating. So, and like I said, for the $77 price tag, I can't really bitch. So, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.